Viral script. More than 3.9 million views and 137,000 subscribers only by uploading 5 videos. Do you know how this guy did that? Just watch one of his videos, we can see that he writes his script with amazing storytelling skills that captivate and engage from start to finish. The most interesting thing is, even if you are a YouTube beginner, you can write a script like that. If you don't believe me, just watch till the end. I will reveal every step of how to write a viral script to attract thousands, even millions of people to your channel, which will bring you thousands of dollars every month. Don't skip any, because there are some tips in the last part that may help you a lot. Let's break down the entire process, starting with defining the purpose of the video. Have you ever read a script and don't understand the author's main purpose? If yes, do you want to read it till the end? I think most of you will say no. Therefore, before thinking of writing any script, you have to find your favorite niche and think about your video topic. First, find your niche. There are many search websites, but if you want to be simple, just go to Google Trends. It is a website where you can get the most recent trends from any country, anytime, and any category. Because you are making YouTube videos, click on the last box and choose YouTube search. Here I choose United States, or you can choose any region that you want your audience to be from. About the time, you should set it not so far from now to make sure we always catch up with the newest trends. Here is important: if you haven't found your favorite niche, you should set all categories. As you can see, up to 24 topics and 25 queries are most searched by users. The next step depends on you, as you are the game owner now. After having a favorite niche, now it's time to think about your video topic. Always ask yourself a question: what do you want to do the most? For example, if you make a historical video, you can search for similar ones on YouTube to see what others do. Pick some great videos on top search and do a reference. You can depend on those videos to create yours. This is not a copy-paste, but just a learning process to become a successful video creator in the future. Make sure that your first video talks about only one topic. You can ask ChatGPT for about 10 ideas. If it's about history, write a prompt like, "Give me the 10 most famous historical wars to make a historical YouTube video," and wait a few seconds. When having 10 topics, you can choose one of them and go ahead to the next step. If you pay attention to any video on YouTube, you may find out that there are mostly 3 parts that I will show you now. They are an introduction, a body, and an outro. All of them are based on something that is called an outline. An outline of a video is just like a framework of a house, which is something to base on to create an engaging script. When I made my first video like you guys, I also felt puzzled about outlining. But it's 2024 and listen, you don't need to have a hand in that stuff. Let ChatGPT cook everything. Write a detailed prompt like, "Create an outline for a historical story about the Trojan War." Don't forget to tell it to include 3 basic parts and receive the result. As you can see, the outline is quite acceptable, but still too vague. You can ask ChatGPT to create a more detailed one, or if you feel confident about your content, you can rewrite it on a new Google Docs page. The more detailed the outline is, the easier the script you have in the next steps. Great job! Now you have an amazing outline that can apply to any kind of video. Even if you make movie videos, you also need something like that. Alright, your outline is ready. Now it's time to make a script that is an unchangeable element when creating a video. But first, let's watch this video.
Does this look a little something like you? Found an idea in you that's driving you to make videos? You've got a song, a story, a tutorial, or maybe even some plants you want to show off.
Wow, nice plants.
Interesting, right? So why do we feel excited watching her video? It's because she has a unique introduction. Although she's making an educational video, her first part made us feel like it's a daily vlog. That's why the first thing we need is to invest in our introduction. Know how your audiences access your video? When they are led to a homepage that has your video, first they will preview it by putting the cursor on the thumbnail. If they find them interesting, they will decide to click to watch. So a strong introduction is the biggest engagement of total video, especially the first 3 to 4 seconds. Just like a Marvel movie in which the audiences decide to go to the cinema and watch after watching an impressive trailer, you gotta pull more and more audience till the end by feasting their eyes from the first glance. An introduction usually has a hook and a topic statement. A hook is used to engage viewers, make them feel curious and want to see more. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a unique hook that can't be seen anywhere else. Remember to stick to the outline, and what's more important is don't digress. After having a satisfied hook, don't forget a topic statement. It's something to assert you're leading your audience the right way and a clue for the steps that you'll bring to your video. Just sneak peek them to the most expected thing at last so they have to watch the entire video. Cool idea, right? If you have a wonderful hook but don't put your heart into the body, your audience might feel that they don't get anything from your video. Therefore, building a sustainable structure for your body is necessary before going deeper. After searching for a long time, I realized that all videos on YouTube is following this structure. It's a mini hook from the beginning, a main point, and one or more examples. You can use that structure throughout your topics. Now listen to this tip. You should divide the topics by odd numbers instead of even numbers. It's a rule of thumb that not everyone knows. 3 topics are ideal for almost all videos, but if you have more things to say, you can divide by 5, 7, or maybe 9 topics. Want to make sure that your audiences will like, share your video, and subscribe to your channel? Just remind them to do that by adding a CTA. CTA, or call to action, is a term to provoke an immediate response. It is added to your video to make sure that your audiences never forget to like, subscribe, or comment, which are 3 important actions to make your video get recommended. You can add the CTA anywhere in your script, but my advice is the last part, right after they watch your entire video. As I said at the beginning, I will bring you a surprise present for the ones who have watched till now. It's a wonderful tool to replace Google Trends, which is Playboard. It is a search tool that includes not only trending videos and channels, but also any data from any video in the clearest and the most sufficient way. You can enter any video to see its data from views, likes, comments, view trends, and feedback trends. According to that data, you can decide if you should learn from its content to attract viewers. One more valuable thing that I would like to give you is adding value to your video. This is what makes your channel outstanding among the channels with the same style and niche. Like what I am doing now, you can show any new tool or new way to access it instead of learning 100% from others. I know that may be a challenge for you, but don't worry, you can ask ChatGPT to give you some values. Remember, giving is receiving. Congratulations, you have passed through all the steps to create a viral script for your YouTube video. Now it's time to look back again. First, you have to define the purpose of your video. Choose the best niche that suits your audience and your hobby. Second, after having an idea for your first video, write an outline by ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to help write an intro, a body, and an outro for the script. Each part is essential, so don't skip any. A viral script is not only a sustainable base for a viral video, but also a momentum for Beyond Clips to push your channel to the top and bring you an incredible source of income. Therefore, you should polish even small details before putting everything into your video. One more time, like, subscribe, and share if you find this helpful for your video making job. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.